What is a research report? A research report is a structured way of presenting findings, facts, and insights based on a study or investigation. Its main purpose is to turn complex information into something that people can easily understand and use for decision-making. For example, when the World Health Organization publishes a report on global vaccination rates, it isn't just throwing numbers at us, it's providing a clear story backed by evidence, showing trends and highlighting areas of concern. Types of research reports. A descriptive report is a research report that simply presents facts, observations, and data without adding any explanation or judgment. The purpose is to describe what is happening at a certain point in time. Its features include clear presentation of data, simple language, and the use of tables, charts, and graphs to organize information. A descriptive report usually includes an introduction, a description of the data source, the findings arranged in categories, and a short conclusion. It avoids personal opinions or analysis. For example, a national census report is descriptive. It shows how many people live in a country, their age groups, education levels, and income ranges. The report presents this information with numbers and graphs but does not explain why the population is higher in one region than another. Its goal is to provide a clear picture of reality. A review report is a type of research report that brings together information from many past studies on a topic and organizes it into a single summary. Its features include collecting data from books, journal articles, and reports, highlighting similarities and differences, pointing out gaps in knowledge, and sometimes suggesting future directions. A review report usually includes an introduction to the topic, a discussion of past research grouped into themes, and a conclusion about what is known so far. For example, a medical review report on COVID-19 vaccines compares existing studies from different countries. It summarizes how effective each vaccine has been, what side effects are common, and where more research is needed. Instead of doing a new experiment, the report collects what is already available to give readers a complete and balanced picture. A case study report is a research report that focuses on one specific case, such as a company, a person, or an event, and studies it in depth. Its features include background information about the case, a description of the problem, the strategies used to handle it, and the results. It usually includes sections like introduction, case description, analysis, and lessons learned. The strength of a case study is that it shows real-world details that can be applied in similar situations. For example, a Harvard Business School case report on Netflix explains how Netflix transformed from a DVD rental company into a global streaming service. The report describes the company's early struggles, its decision to invest in streaming technology, and the results of that decision. Readers learn step by step how Netflix adapted to changes in the entertainment industry and what lessons can be applied to other businesses. A survey report is a research report that presents data collected directly from people through questionnaires, polls, or interviews. Its features include a clear description of the survey design, the number of participants, the questions asked, and the results. A survey report often uses tables, pie charts, or bar graphs to show percentages and comparisons. It usually includes an introduction to the purpose of the survey, details about the method, the findings, and a conclusion or recommendation. For example, the Pew Research Center survey on social media use is a survey report. It explains how many teenagers use TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, how often they use these platforms, and what differences exist between age groups. The report uses graphs to make patterns easy to see and provides insights into how social media shapes young people's lives. An analytical report is a research report that goes beyond facts and looks for meaning, reasons, and patterns in the data. Its features include problem identification, data analysis, comparisons, and well-structured conclusions. Analytical reports often include charts, models, and discussions to show not only what is happening but also why it is happening. The structure usually includes an introduction to the problem, a data analysis section, key findings, and recommendations. For example, a McKinsey report on electric vehicles is analytical. It examines why sales are increasing rapidly in Europe but slower in the United States. The report looks at government policies, the number of charging stations, and consumer preferences. By combining data and reasoning, the report explains the underlying causes of the trend and provides recommendations for businesses and policymakers. An experimental report is a research report that presents the results of an experiment designed to test a hypothesis. Its features include a research question, a description of the methods used, the control and test groups, the results with data tables or graphs, and a conclusion. It is written in a structured way, often following the IMRAD format: introduction, method, results, and discussion. An experimental report aims to show cause and effect relationships. For example, a psychology research report on sleep and memory tested two groups of students. One group slept after studying, and the other stayed awake. The report included details of how the experiment was designed, the test scores of both groups, and the conclusion that sleep improves memory retention. This type of report is widely used in science, medicine, and psychology to prove or disprove ideas with evidence. An exploratory report is a research report used when the topic is new, unclear, or not yet fully studied. Its features include broad research questions, initial observations, open-ended data collection, and suggestions for future studies. It usually includes an introduction to the topic, a description of methods used to gather early insights, a discussion of patterns, and recommendations for more detailed research later. The purpose is not to give final answers but to open up new directions. For example, an exploratory report on artificial intelligence in classrooms might describe how teachers experimented with AI tools for grading assignments or generating lesson ideas. The report could explain teacher feedback, student reactions, and initial challenges. It would not give a final judgment but would suggest what should be studied further, such as the long-term impact of AI on learning outcomes. An explanatory report is a research report that explains why something happens and shows the relationship between causes and effects. Its features include detailed reasoning, linking evidence to outcomes, and step-by-step explanations of complex issues. It usually includes an introduction to the problem, a discussion of causes, evidence to support the explanation, and a conclusion. For example, a United Nations report on climate change and food security is explanatory. It explains how rising global temperatures reduce crop yields, how this leads to higher food prices, and how food shortages affect poor communities. The report uses statistics, case studies from affected countries, and charts to connect all the steps. Instead of just saying what is happening, it explains why it is happening and what the consequences are. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and practical research tips.